Let me just start off by saying making a loaf of bread from scratch is one of the most rewarding experiences you can have in the kitchen. People have been making something like this for over 4,000 years, and if I can make it, then you can too. Let's have a look at what we need. What the? That's like 20 ingredients.
Unbleached wheat flour, water, cornstarch, baker's yeast, wheat fibre, wheat gluten, vinegar, iodized salt, vegetable gum, canola oil, soy flour, 4 types of emulsifier, 2 kinds of minerals, 5 added vitamins. This product may not be right for you. Always consult a healthcare professional before consuming. Authorised by a global corporation elsewhere.
I reckon you'd be hard pressed to source any of that, let alone 4,000 years ago. I mean, I thought bread was just flour, water and salt. So, if we do combine flour, water and salt, what do we get? We get flatbread. And that's not what we want. We want a loaf of bread. So what's going on? They couldn't pop down to the shop thousands of years ago and get a packet of yeast. They had to come up with something else. And so we have sourdough, the original leavened bread. In this series, I will take you through making a sourdough start to finish, from making the starter, or leaven, the easiest way I have found to make the bread, and a few little troubleshooting tips if it isn't going to plan. Could You Cook is all about getting you more in touch with real food and taking steps, no matter how big or small, to going from paddock to plate yourself. I'm Dylan, and thank you for watching.